the other day I was on YouTube, and this video caught my attention. I proceeded to discover this guy named Kelly Wakasa. After this, I began to just watch some of his adventures, which included this, and this. Then I started to notice a common theme throughout his videos. Do what excites. Do what excites. Do what excites.
You know, yeah. Do what excites.
Do what excites. Do what excites. The idea started to grow in my mind. So after texting a couple of my friends, I decided to take his advice and do what excites.
Yeah, Dad. Yeah, it's there. It's there.
Meet Jeff. Jeff is a shopping cart left for, well, ruin. Countless of times have I driven past that pond and thought to myself, poor Jeff. So yes, I decided me and my friends were gonna go rescue Jeff. And here's how that went.
Oh shoot. There it is.
Contact prohibited, stay clear danger.
This snow is actually deep. It's like a sinkhole. Oh, frick! Ow! You good?
No.
There's the grocery cart. We gotta get it. Dude, we're wearing the same thing.
I know. I don't have the...
I say we just go for it. Okay, I don't think the cops... Okay, I'm gonna go grab my...
Pick up the ice.
Dude, we don't sink through the snow. We won't fall in.
Oh my god.
Wow. Okay, what store does it belong to?
Your mom.
I think that's Walmart. Let's go return this to Walmart. Oh gosh, dude, look at the ice. I'll get a shot of all three of us. Let me in.
This car's gonna break. This is what's gonna happen.
Can you see him?
Yeah.
Dude, we're like twins. Here, can you hold mine too?
Well, let's do one. He's recording. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Jump? Oh, I didn't know we were jumping.
Go.
Right,
okay, now we should go.
That might look really
Let's go, we gotta run.
Let's go, get out of here, God.
Without your help. That's my workout for the year.
Dude, we've done a public service. There were cops literally right there, and they're out of their car. So that's cool.
Take your own cameras. I gotta scratch my head.
Dude, let's ride this down a hill.
Oh, wait.
That was so bad. Okay, we're gonna go return this to Walmart. That was so good. No? We just found another one.
2 good deeds in one day.
Go, put that in. Boom.
That should have been recycled though.
Quiet. You're complete losers right now. Okay?
No, this is good deeds. Think about how many lives were changed.
No, dude, people love watching losers. We're going to go talk to the employee.
Oh, I just sat in a wet spot. We just finished.
Hopefully it goes well.
Yeah. We're here at the Walmart.
This is ridiculous.
Yeah.
We see the security guy over there. We're gonna go talk to him. Hey, we found these 2 carts, and this one we found in a lake, or like over there.
Seriously?
It was like on top of the pond.
Did you see it ever?
And it says Walmart on it, so.
Thank you. Nice.
Awesome.
Thanks so much. Have a good day.
Cool.
You got that?
Yep.
Recording. Are you getting anything?
We did a bite. And
Bro, already ready? That was fast food. Get it? Oh.
Goodbye, Will.
Bye, Will.
I'll see you in years.
secret society, the Watch Till End of Luke Muirhead Videos Club. By watching this, you have already been enrolled in the club, so congratulations on your enrollment. This has been a Chad Muirhead announcement. I will see you next time.